Hi, my name is Phil Alba from Yes Realty Network, and I'm passionate about real estate. My team and I service clients from Brooklyn, Queens, Nassau, and Suffolk counties. I've been a broker for almost 20 years. I love what I do, and we love working with people. We truly want to make a difference in the lives of the clients that we serve. What I love about real estate is it's about people. I know people think that it's about homes. It really isn't. It's really a relational business. It's not a sales business. It's not about selling something. It's about discovering possibilities. It's about dreaming something with someone. It's about understanding their goals and their needs. And really, a real estate broker's job is to not just deliver on promises. It's to solve problems that come up along the way of achieving the goal of selling the house. And what's really changed in real estate in the last 10 years with the advent of the internet and certain technologies is realtors that list homes are really primarily marketing companies that understand all aspects of the real estate business. We're problem solvers. We know the things that can come up. So the listing broker that represents you on the sale of the home, it's more important that he is skilled and experienced in these various areas than it is that he's the local town broker. For most of you, selling your home will be the most important financial transaction of your life. But it's more than that. It's deeply personal. I'd like you to entrust someone with experience, with passion, who promises to always put your needs first. I'd like you to call me. Call Phil at 631-804-3569 or visit our website at www.yesrealtynetwork.com. Thank you.